Hi everyone, bonjour. Welcome back to my studio. In today's video, I'm sharing a quick expressive warm-up painting exercise. To begin, I made a few marks using water pencil and a few fine tip pen. I love starting this way. It helps break the blank page and gives the painting some playful energy right from the beginning. For this small painting, I'm using only 3 colors: Prussian Blue, Quinacridone Magenta, and yellow-orange. Of course, plus black and white. I'm using a small sponge to add the first colors, the blue, Prussian Blue, and then I'll be using a squeegee for the yellow-orange. I'm not using a lot of paint. I want to have the transparency effect, and also I want the paint to dry quickly. It's a quick painting, transparent, and I love this effect. Only I edited this video, but in real time it only took me maybe 15 minutes to create the painting. It's really fast, and for me it's a good way to practice, and then I can do it on a large painting. I love to paint on large canvases. I continue to add blue marks with a small brush to make it lively. Now I'm using a very tiny brush, which I don't use often because on large canvases I use only very large brushes. But I'm making my circles. I love to make circles and lines. So it's a good way to make an abstract painting for me. I'm making some marks with a pen. And more white. Nothing is planned. When I'm painting, nothing is planned. I'm not painting from a picture or whatever. It's just about the composition and looking at the at the painting and loving it. So I'm working on a painting until I'm satisfied and I love it. The more I'm working on this tiny painting, the more I feel that it looks like a summer garden, a fun, happy, colorful summer garden. I see flowers, more marks, more definitions. The idea also is not to overwork your painting. Let it breathe. Let it sit for a few moments. That's what I do. Go get a coffee, come back, and then I know if I have to add something or I love it this way. So that's what I do. Just playing with my brush, my 3 colors. Do you see the flowers? Let me know what you see. It's different for everybody. Looking over a white mat, it makes such a big difference. Now a few splash of white with my favorite brush that my dad gave me a long time ago. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to play and have fun. À la prochaine. See you soon.